Your Honda has a secret. Buried deep in the settings, there's a hidden menu that most owners will never find. A menu that unlocks over 15 features Honda didn't advertise, didn't put in the manual, and honestly, doesn't want you messing with. We're talking about disabling annoying safety nags, customizing your dashboard, adjusting throttle response, and even changing how your automatic transmission shifts. All without a scan tool, without a mechanic, without paying a dime. I've been working on Hondas for over 15 years, and this hidden menu is one of the most powerful tools you have as an owner. Some of these settings can make your daily drive so much better. Others are just plain cool. And the best part? Once you know how to access it, you can tweak your Honda exactly how you want it. Today, I'm walking you through every step, how to get in, what each setting does, and which ones you should absolutely change. Feature number 8 will transform how your Honda drives, and number 12 fixes the most annoying thing about modern Hondas. Let's get started. How to access the hidden menu. Alright, first things first, let's get into the secret menu. This works on most 2016 plus Honda models with a touchscreen infotainment system, including Civic, Accord, CR-V, Pilot, HR-V, and Odyssey. Here's the exact process. Turn on your car, but you don't need to start the engine. Just turn the ignition to on or press the start button without your foot on the brake. On your touchscreen, press the home button to go to the main menu. Now here's the trick. Simultaneously press and hold the top left corner and top right corner of the screen for about 10 seconds. Keep holding both corners. Don't let go. After 10 seconds, you'll hear a beep or see the screen flicker. A new menu will appear with options you've never seen before. Boom, you're in. If it doesn't work the first time, try again. Sometimes you need to hold it for 12 to 15 seconds. Once you're in, you'll see a diagnostic and settings menu with tabs across the top. This is where the magic happens. Function 1. Disable automatic door lock. By default, most Hondas automatically lock all doors when you shift out of park or hit 15 miles per hour. Sounds like a safety feature, but it's annoying if you're just pulling out of your driveway. Here's how to disable it. In the hidden menu, navigate to the Settings or Vehicle tab. Look for Auto Door Lock or Door Lock Mode. You'll see options like Speed Sensing, Shift Position, or Off. Select Off if you want full control. Save the setting and exit. Now your doors only lock when you press the button. Function 2. Change Auto Unlock behavior. You can also control when your Honda automatically unlocks. Most models unlock all doors when you put the car in park, but maybe you only want the driver's door to unlock for security. Here's how to change it. In the hidden menu, find Auto Unlock Settings. You'll see options. Unlock all doors, unlock driver's door only, or never unlock. Choose driver's door only for better security. Now when you park, only your door unlocks. Great for security in unfamiliar areas. Function 3. Adjust headlight sensitivity. Ever notice your automatic headlights turn on at random times? Maybe when you drive under a bridge. That's because the light sensor is too sensitive. You can adjust it. Go to the Lighting or Sensor tab in the hidden menu. Find Headlight Auto Sensitivity. You'll see a slider or options like Low, Medium, High. Set it to Low if you want headlights to turn on only when it's actually dark. Most people prefer Low to avoid the lights flickering on and off during the day. Function 4. Disable Seatbelt Chime. The seatbelt chime is a safety feature, and you should always wear your seatbelt on public roads. But if you're moving your car in a parking lot or on private property, that constant beeping gets old. Here's how to disable it. In the hidden menu, go to Audible Warnings or Chime Settings. Find Seatbelt Warning Chime. Toggle it to off. The warning light will still show on your dash, but no more beeping. Remember, this is for off-road or private use only. Always buckle up on the street. Function 5. Customize Dashboard Display. Want to change what information shows on your digital dashboard? Most Hondas let you customize the display to show exactly what you care about. Here's how. In the hidden menu, look for Gauge Cluster or Display Settings. You'll see options to prioritize certain readouts: digital speedometer, fuel economy graph, turn-by-turn navigation, audio info, tire pressure. Rearrange them by priority or disable ones you never use. Save your preferences, and your dashboard will look exactly how you want it. If you want to take your Honda maintenance to the next level and keep it running strong past 500,000 miles, I've put together a complete maintenance blueprint just for Honda owners. It covers every fluid change, every inspection interval, and every trick to maximize your engine's lifespan. Click the link in the description to grab your free copy of the 500,000 mile car maintenance blueprint for Honda. Trust me, it's a game changer. Function 6. Adjust steering wheel sensitivity. Some newer Hondas with lane keeping assist have adjustable steering wheel sensitivity. If your steering feels too light or too heavy, you can tweak it. Here's how. Navigate to Steering or Driver Assist in the hidden menu. Look for Steering Feel or EPS sensitivity. You'll see options like Comfort, Normal, Sport. Comfort makes steering lighter, great for parking. Sport makes it heavier and more responsive, better for highway driving. Pick what feels best for you. Function 7. Change idle. Stop default. Hate the auto start-stop system that shuts off your engine at red lights? You can set it to default to off every time you start the car. Here's how. In the hidden menu, find Engine or Idle Stop settings. Look for Auto Idle Stop Default. Toggle it to off. Now, every time you start your Honda, the system will be disabled by default. No more pressing that button every single time you get in the car. Function 8. Adjust transmission shift points. This is a big one. Number 8. Some Honda models allow you to adjust when the automatic transmission shifts gears. If your transmission shifts too early and feels sluggish, you can change it. Here's how. In the hidden menu, go to Transmission or Drivetrain Settings. Look for Shift Mode or Shift Timing. You'll see options like Eco, Normal, Sport. Eco shifts early to save fuel but feels slow. Sport holds gears longer for more power but uses more gas. Pick Sport if you want snappier acceleration and don't mind losing 1 to 2 miles per gallon. This completely changes how your Honda drives. It's like getting a transmission tune without paying for it. Function 9. Disable lane departure. Warning. Lane departure warning is helpful on long highway trips, but on narrow roads, it goes crazy. You can disable it permanently instead of turning it off every time you drive. Here's how. Find Driver, Assist or ADAS in the hidden menu. Locate lane departure warning. Toggle it to off. Now the system stays off every time you start the car. Function 10. Adjust reverse beep volume. When you shift into reverse, most Hondas beep inside the cabin. It's loud and annoying, especially if you reverse multiple times a day. You can lower the volume or turn it off entirely. Here's how. In the hidden menu, go to Audible Warnings. Find Reverse Gear Chime or Backup Beep. You'll see options like High, Medium, Low, Off. Set it to Low or Off. The backup camera still works. You just don't get blasted with beeping. Function 11. Change ambient lighting color. Some Honda models with ambient interior lighting let you customize the color. Most people don't know you can change it from the default blue to red, white, or even purple. Here's how. Navigate to Interior Lighting in the hidden menu. Look for Ambient Color or Mood Lighting. Pick your favorite color and save it. Now your interior lighting matches your style. If you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Function 12. Disable Low Fuel Warning Beep. Here's the most annoying thing about modern Hondas, the low fuel warning beep. Once you hit 50 miles to empty, it beeps every single time you start the car. You know you're low on gas. You don't need to be reminded 10 times. Here's how to silence it. In the hidden menu, find Warnings or Fuel Alerts. Look for Low Fuel Warning Chime. Toggle it to off. The warning light will still appear on your dash, but no more beeping. Function 13. Adjust Climate Control Auto Fan Speed. If your automatic climate control blasts the fan too high or keeps it too low, you can adjust the sensitivity. Here's how. Go to Climate or HVAC settings in the hidden menu. Find auto fan speed or fan sensitivity. You'll see options like low, normal, high. Low keeps the fan quieter but takes longer to heat or cool. High blasts air faster but can be noisy. Pick what works best for you. Function 14. Enable speed limit display. Some Hondas can display the current speed limit on your dashboard, but it's disabled by default. If your car has the hardware, you can turn it on. Here's how. In the hidden menu, navigate to Navigation or Driver Info. Look for Speed Limit Display or Sign Recognition. Toggle it to On. Now your dashboard shows the speed limit for whatever road you're on. Super helpful for avoiding speeding tickets on unfamiliar roads. Function 15. Adjust tire pressure. Warning threshold. By default, your TPMS warning light comes on when tire pressure drops below a certain threshold. But if you live in a cold climate where pressure fluctuates daily, that light can be annoying. You can adjust the sensitivity. In the hidden menu, go to TPMS or Tire Settings. Find Warning Threshold. You'll see options to set the pressure point where the warning activates. Just don't set it too high or you'll miss real issues. Function 16. Reset all settings to default. Messed something up and want to go back to factory settings? There's a Master Reset option. In the hidden menu, find System or Advanced Settings. Look for Restore Factory Defaults. Confirm the reset. Everything goes back to how Honda set it from the factory. Use this if you're selling the car and want to erase your personal settings. Which settings should you actually change? That's a lot of options. So which ones should you actually mess with? Here's my recommendation. Must change settings. Disable low fuel warning beep. Function 12. Set auto door unlock to driver's door only. Function 2. Adjust transmission shift points to sport if you want better response. Function 8. Nice to have settings. Disable automatic door lock. Function 1. Lower reverse beep volume. Function 10. Adjust headlight sensitivity. Function 3. Start with the must-change list. Test drive your Honda and see how it feels. Then, go back and tweak the others. A word of caution. Before you go crazy, customizing everything, a few warnings. Some settings affect safety features. Disabling lane departure or collision warnings might save you from annoyance, but they could also save your life. Think carefully before turning off safety systems. If you take your Honda to the dealer for service, they might reset some settings during software updates. Just go back into the hidden menu and restore your preferences. Not all Honda models have every setting I mentioned. Your specific trim level and year determine what's available. Honda didn't intend for customers to access this menu. While nothing you change here will void your warranty, proceed with common sense. Why Honda hides these settings? You're probably wondering, if these settings exist, why doesn't Honda just put them in the regular menu? First, simplicity. Most drivers don't want 50 settings to scroll through. Honda buries the advanced stuff so the regular interface stays clean. Second, liability. If someone disables a safety feature and gets in an accident, they might try to blame Honda. Third, dealer revenue. Some settings, like adjusting transmission behavior, are things dealers used to charge for. Whatever the reason, now you know how to access it. Use that power wisely. Final thoughts. The hidden menu in your Honda is one of the best-kept secrets in the automotive world. It gives you control over your car that most owners will never know exists. From disabling annoying beeps to adjusting how your transmission shifts, these settings let you customize your Honda exactly how you want it. You don't need a mechanic, a scan tool, or a computer science degree. Just 10 seconds of holding two corners of your screen and you're in. So go to your car, access the hidden menu, and explore. Start with the low fuel beep and auto door unlock. Those two alone will make a noticeable difference. Your Honda is your car. Make it drive the way you want it to. And if you're serious about keeping your Honda running strong for the long haul, don't forget to grab your free 500,000-mile car maintenance blueprint. It's packed with every maintenance interval, fluid change schedule, and insider tip you need to get maximum life out of your engine. The link's in the description, completely free, and it's specifically designed for Honda owners who want their cars to last forever. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.